Hey guys, welcome back to MTB Bench Rider. Today we're getting ready for the install of the Microshift Advent drivetrain. Let's get after it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get some of the old drivetrain components out of the way. So we'll get the derailleur out of the way, take the chain off, and then we'll take off the rear wheel. Alright, so next we just need to take off the cassette. So now with the old one off, we're going to start with the new cassette. Just make sure we line up our splines. There's always a small one. Now all that's left is just tighten this guy down. Put the wheel back on the bike, flip the bike back over, get started on the derailleur. Alright, so now that we have the rear derailleur installed, we're going to run the cable through the housing. Next, we've got to put on our chain. So we're almost finished here. We're just going to go through and make sure that we're shifting right, index our gears if we need. and then get everything finalized. Alright, so that wraps up the install for today. Got it shifting pretty well. Can probably fine tune it a little more, but I think we're pretty close. So once I get on it and start riding, I'll make those fine tune adjustments. So thanks for stopping by today. Thanks for joining in. Hit that like button, subscribe, keep on riding.